What's the meaning of bask? Bask. Bask.
Bask. Bask. Bask is a verb that means to lie in or be exposed to a pleasant warmth, especially that of the sun. This can be in a literal sense, such as sunbathing, or in a figurative sense, such as enjoying the warmth of praise or attention. Basking can evoke a sense of relaxation and contentment, particularly when experienced in a beautiful and peaceful environment. However, while basking can provide temporary pleasure, it is important to remember to seek balance in life and not become too reliant or addicted to the sources of comfort and warmth, however enjoyable they may be.